Somebody just open-sourced a hedge fund. Not just a model, not just a strategy, an entire AI-powered trading firm. This project is called Trading Agents. You spin it up, point it at a ticker, and it runs a full simulated Wall Street firm under the hood. Analysts, researchers, traders, risk managers, all powered by AI agents talking to each other. 53,678 stars, nearly 10,000 forks, and actively growing. Here's the core insight. Real hedge funds don't rely on one decision maker. They rely on teams, and those teams argue, because disagreement is what creates better, defensible decisions. So the creators mapped real trading roles into individual AI agents. Each agent writes a report. Each agent can disagree. And instead of removing that tension, the system preserves it. It started as a UCLA research paper in late 2024, then quietly became open source. Since then, it has been growing fast, stars doubling every couple of months. First layer, the analyst team. 4 agents run in parallel. Fundamentals analyst studies financials and valuation. Sentiment analyst scans social media and market mood. News analyst tracks macro events and breaking news. Technical analyst runs indicators like RSI and MACD. Each produces its own independent report, and importantly, they don't get merged into one answer. The disagreement between them is the signal. Then comes the debate layer. 2 researcher agents step in, one bullish, one bearish. The bullish researcher builds the case for upside. The bearish researcher challenges everything, finding risks and weaknesses. They argue back and forth for multiple rounds until a structured view emerges. Then comes the decision pipeline. A trader agent proposes the trade. Risk management evaluates volatility and liquidity. A portfolio manager makes the final decision: approve or reject. Everything runs on LangGraph, where every agent is a node in a graph. If something breaks, you can resume exactly where it stopped. This is what makes it different. Most trading systems are either rule-based or black box machine learning models. One is rigid, the other is opaque. This sits in between. Every decision is traceable. You can read the reports, the debate, and the reasoning behind every action. Fully auditable. Under the hood, it's Python plus LangGraph. Each agent is a graph node. Each transition is tracked. There's a persistent decision log, so every trade is recorded and analyzed over time. The system even learns from past outcomes, refining future decisions. And with checkpoint recovery, no work is ever lost mid-process. The numbers are simple. 53,000 plus GitHub stars, nearly 10,000 forks, and active weekly development. This isn't a research dump, it's a living system. Here's the key idea. Most machine learning systems collapse everything into one score. This one doesn't. It keeps the disagreement between bull and bear, between fundamentals and sentiment, because that tension is where insight comes from. The output isn't just a prediction, it's an argument. Quick reality check. This is a research framework, not financial advice. It costs money to run due to model and API usage, and it doesn't connect to real brokers by default. You should not blindly trust it with real money. It's meant for experimentation and research. But still, someone took the structure of a Wall Street firm, mapped every role to AI agents, wired it together with LangGraph, and open sourced it. Research grade, production capable, fully auditable. If you're building with AI agents today, this is one of the clearest real-world examples out there. And that's the idea behind Trading Agents. A full hedge fund structure, rebuilt with AI agents, and open sourced for anyone to explore. If you want to check it out yourself, the link to the project is in the description. And if this video hits 100 likes, I'll do a full setup and walkthrough showing exactly how to install and run it step by step. If you enjoyed this breakdown, consider subscribing. I'll be covering more systems like this as they emerge. Thanks for watching.